what if Lyft goes to $30, $40, $50, right? If it goes to $30, $40, or $50 a share, and I got a $15 call option, then that means I literally I can exercise my option and own 100 shares of Lyft at $15. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Jemecia-Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, guys. Hey y'all, it is Money Monday. And I don't know if you guys have been watching the market, but if you haven't, don't even go there, because it dropped significantly, like a crash. So just don't even go in there and look, because y'all are gonna be depressed. Just let it rest, let it rest, let it rest. It will come back up, y'all. Just don't mess with it, because that's where we mess up. We mess with our money. When Wall Street sees what happened or causes what happened, they just wait, and they wait for smaller people like us to exit our positions so that they can buy more. And that's what puts them at an advantage versus us. So I'm here to tell you, just don't even look. Don't even look. I haven't even looked at my full thing, because I'm just like, you know what, these jokers. Anyway, but we were due for a pullback and everything, so it is what it is. So anyway, my pick for Money Monday is going to be Lyft, because Lyft just got a partnership with a company called Waymo, and they are going to be offering Robo-Taxi services. Y'all, the weather's bad here, so if you hear my windshield wipers doing whatever they do, sorry. But I had to get this video out because, of course, tomorrow's Monday. But anyway, yeah, so they are going to be offering Robo-Taxi services in Nashville, Tennessee. So they're going to be launching that really soon. And with the market crash, my Lyft stock went from, actually, I don't have Lyft stock. I have some Lyft options, meaning I have some long-term plays on Lyft. So I don't own the shares, which is what I'm about to buy, but I don't own the shares. I own a couple stock options that if I waited until 2027, I have a $15 call on it. Y'all look this up, because I ain't going into all that, because I'm just now learning too. But I have a $15 call on Lyft, right? The price right now on Lyft, when I got the $15 call, was like $21. The price is projected to go to 23, 26, then 30. So I figured that was a good deal, right? So that's what I did. But with the market crashing, that junk went down to like $19. So now I am going to get the stock. So again, my Money Monday play or stock that I am going to invest in is Lyft. And I may get another option, because why not? Even if I get all the way to 2027, 2028 holding that option, what if Lyft goes to $30, $40, $50, right? If it goes to $30, $40, or $50 a share, and I got a $15 call option, then that means I literally I can exercise my option and own 100 shares of Lyft at $15. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what I decide to do when the time comes. But also we'll see if there is a substantial amount of gain on that. I don't want to be talking all crazy to where you guys don't understand what I'm talking about. But eventually I am going to offer a couple things where I teach you guys what I know, which is not a whole lot, but it has been working for me. So anyway, my play is Lyft, ticker symbol LYFT, because they got that huge partnership. And eventually, what if Waymo ended up like buying Lyft, because Lyft is, you know, a smaller company, smaller than Uber. So what if they decided to do that? Man, that would be a huge opportunity. So, I mean, what if? That's just how it goes. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But either way, that is what I'm doing. I hope you guys check it out. I'm not giving you any financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what I'm excited about. So I hope you guys take a look at it and see if that's something that you would be interested in. Now, listen, I don't know that I would want to jump into a Robo-Taxi myself, but you know, y'all crazy butt tail people, y'all be trying to just do any old and everything. So I think it's going to be a interesting situation. Y'all have been ready for the Jetson era for many years, so it's exciting. I hope you guys tap in and subscribe to my channel, send this out to somebody else, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.